G'day guys, this is probably going to be one of my last videos on the Gigabyte G5, as I found it's not really the laptop for me. But one thing I've noticed in probably the last couple of days that I've been using it, is it emitting a rather electrical noise. I'd almost classify it as. Not quite coil whine, but definitely not quite normal. So what I've discovered is, looking at the machine from the front, go around to this side over here, essentially in this area here, putting my ear up to here, I can definitely hear a fairly loud staticky noise going on. It does calm down after a period of time. It doesn't seem to be dependent on performance. But the biggest thing it does seem to be responding to is if I'm simply just moving my trackpad across the screen like so, even if I just do, let's say I'm swirling around like that, I'll hear it constantly as I'm doing it. So I'm not sure if it's something to do with the 240 Hz panel, something to do with the GPU, or just something very odd. It's definitely something to be aware of. Definitely to give yours a listen to. Just simply even having it on the idle screen like this, where I've just already told it to reset itself, and just simply moving the trackpad around and stop, and then move it a little bit more and stop, and just be on the lookout for a weird semi-coil whine-esque noise. So, I don't really have anything further to add to that, but it's just something I've definitely noticed, which once it is in a quiet state where the fans aren't constantly active, that I'm noticing. So I'm curious to get my hands on another 3060 machine with a similar panel in it, be it 144 Hz or 240 Hz, and see if it has a very similar characteristic. Anyway, that'll do, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.